In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Outlook toolbar on Mac. If you want quicker access to the tools you use most often in Outlook, customizing the toolbar is a simple way to make the app work better for your daily routine. The toolbar is the row of buttons at the top of the Outlook window, and adjusting it can help you save time by putting your favorite commands exactly where you want them. To begin, look at the top of your screen and click on View. This will open the View menu where you can access different display and layout options for Outlook. Take a moment to make sure Outlook is the active app before doing this, since the menu bar on a Mac changes depending on which application is currently selected. Once the View menu is open, click on Customize Toolbar. This will bring up the Toolbar customization window. In this area, Outlook lets you change which buttons appear in the toolbar and where they are placed. You may see a set of available tools or commands that can be added, removed, or rearranged. From here, follow the on-screen prompts. In most cases, you'll be able to drag icons into the toolbar, remove items you don't need, or change the order of the buttons so the most important ones are easiest to reach. This is especially helpful if you regularly use features like search, filtering, new message creation, or other common Outlook actions. Keeping your toolbar organized can make your workflow smoother and reduce the number of clicks needed to complete everyday tasks. As you make changes, pay attention to how the toolbar looks and whether the layout feels natural for the way you work. Try not to overload it with too many buttons, since a cleaner toolbar is often easier to use. A good approach is to keep only the commands you use regularly and leave out anything that tends to stay untouched. When you're done following the prompts and arranging the toolbar the way you like, your changes should take effect right in Outlook. You can always come back later and adjust it again if your preferences change, or if you start using different features more often. That's all it takes to customize the Outlook toolbar on Mac.